This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Max vacuum cleaner. Begin by connecting the main body to the wand, listening for a clear click, which indicates a secure lock. Then, firmly attach the floor head to the wand until it also locks into position, ready for use. Plug the power cord into a grounded electrical outlet and press the large power button to activate your vacuum. This straightforward setup ensures you are ready to clean in moments. The Max vacuum comes with 3 versatile attachments: a crevice tool, a dusting brush, and an upholstery tool. Use the crevice tool to reach tight spaces like between couch cushions or along baseboards, grabbing every last crumb. The dusting brush is ideal for delicate surfaces such as lampshades or picture frames, preventing scratches and spreading dust. For furniture and pet hair, the upholstery tool works wonders, gently lifting debris from fabrics. These specialized tools make cleaning every corner of your home much more effective. Regular maintenance keeps your Max vacuum performing its best. It is very important. Empty the dustbin once it reaches the max fill line, or after every 2 to 3 uses, by pressing the release button over a trash can. The washable filter should be rinsed with cool water monthly and allowed to air dry completely for at least 24 hours before reinserting. Never operate the vacuum without a fully dry filter, as this could damage the motor and reduce suction. Proper care ensures longevity. If suction seems reduced, first check for clogs in the hose or brush roll. A common issue is hair tangles around the brush. For optimal performance, routinely inspect the brush roll and remove any wrapped fibers, which can hinder its effectiveness and reduce cleaning power. Always ensure the dustbin is properly seated and the filter is clean and completely dry before operating. Your Max vacuum is designed for consistent power and superior cleaning when maintained correctly. Enjoy a spotless home with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.